Unlock a goldmine of real estate deals by mastering Propstream, the ultimate lead generating tool, and discover how to pinpoint your next investment opportunity. First, head over to Propstream and log, and the first thing you'll see is the map. This is your command center. Enter a specific city or zip code you're interested in targeting. Now, the real magic begins. Click on Filter. This is where we'll narrow down our search. Let's start with property type. You can select from various options like single family, multifamily, condo, or land. Choose what aligns with your investment goals. Next, under Ownership Info, explore filters like Years of Ownership. Targeting owners who have held a property for a long time could indicate potential for them being more open to selling. Crucially, check the MLS status. Select Off Market to avoid properties already listed with an agent. We want to find those hidden gems. Now, for some advanced strategies, scroll down and look at Pre-Foreclosure. Targeting properties in pre-foreclosure can present opportunities for helping homeowners avoid foreclosure while securing a deal for yourself. Another powerful filter is Vacant. Vacant properties often indicate motivated sellers. Select Vacant in the filter. Once you've set your filters, click Apply. Propstream will then display a list of properties that meet your specific criteria. Click on any property to view detailed information, including owner contact details, property characteristics, mortgage information, and estimated equity. Use Propstream's skip tracing features to find updated phone numbers and email addresses for the property owners. Now you have the information to start reaching out. And that's it. With these Propstream strategies, you're well on your way to finding profitable real estate leads. Remember to experiment with different filters and refine your search to discover the best opportunities in your market. Good luck and happy investing.